Hey guys, so in this video I am showing you how to descale your Breville Barista Express. You will know you need to descale your machine when your machine is showing you a solid cleaning light. If it's showing a blinking light, then you just need to run it through a normal clean cycle. I'll leave the link to the clean video right here or in the description down below. Now, if you have an older Barista Express like I do, there won't be a blinking mode and a solid mode. It will just be the one solid light for cleaning. However, Breville still recommend that you descale your machine on a monthly basis, especially if you live in an area with hot water. So how can you tell if you have the older or the newer machine? Like I discussed in the cleaning video, I guess the most obvious way that I found is either you notice that there is a blinking light on the normal cleaning cycle, or two, if you were to refer to page 24 of your cleaning manual, if you have one like I do, it will not even mention the fact that your machine have a blinking mode on the cleaning light. So if it just says that your cleaning light will illuminate, then that means you probably have the older model. However, the model number will be exactly the same. They will all be BES A70XL/8. So if you either just ran through your cleaning cycle and you still see the light on, or if you, like me, know that you are due for descaling, this is the video for you. First, you will need a descaling solution. I just use this one that I get from Amazon. It's much more affordable than the powder form that's sold by Breville. If you have an older model like this one, they do say that you can use a 50-50 solution of water and white vinegar. However, I've read that on the internet that some people don't recommend using it as it might damage the machine. So just to be safe, I just use the descaling solution. Alright, so I'll start showing you how to clean the older model, which is the one that I have. If you do have the newer model, you can go ahead and skip to the timestamp that I'll leave here on the screen. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is remove the water basket and remove the filter that was originally installed in the water basket. Next, you are going to measure 4 ounces of the descaling solution. The descaling solution actually comes in an 8-ounce bottle, so this actually is exactly good for 2 uses. Okay, so now you're just going to pour the solution into the tank and fill the tank up with water. So with the water filled, I'm going to replace the tank. Okay, so with the tank filled and replaced, I'm going to place a pitcher right underneath the group head, and I'm going to hold the single shot button until we purge half the water that's currently in the tank. Okay, so once the tank is down to its halfway mark, we are going to start purging the water section. So you want to turn your dial towards water and just leave that on for 30 seconds. After the hot water, you want to purge the steam one for about 2 minutes. So after the steam one finishes cleaning process, you want to go ahead and place the pitcher back underneath the group head and purge the remaining of the water by pressing the single shot button again. So after all the water has been purged through, you want to remove the filter tank, go ahead and rinse it out, replace it with clean water, and of course replace the water filter. After that, I would like to run through the entire process just one more time to ensure that no descaling solutions left in the machine. One more pro tip is that as you are flushing out the group head, if you notice any kind of uneven flow on the group head, Breville does include an Allen key that you can remove the screen that's underneath the group head to clean out the screen itself. Alright, so if you have a newer model, the instruction will be slightly different. Alright, so for the new machine, you still want to remove the water tank and remove the water filter from the tank. And you are still going to measure 4 ounces of the cleaning solution. So again, this is a 8 ounce in total in the bottle, so it's good for 2 cleaning cycles. So after that, you want to go ahead and pour the cleaning solution into the tank, fill the tank up with water. Alright, so the next part is very important because if you don't do this, the cleaning light will not shut off. So if you have your machine on, you want to make sure you turn your machine off, and you want to hold down both the power and the double shot button at the same time. Now if you have the new machine, you will know you did this right when both the clean me and the hot water steam button, the hot water steam light are on. Next, once the machine runs through its warm-up process, you are going to press the single shot button. Now, the machine is going to automatically descale the coffee components, and this is going to take about 25 seconds. Next, descale the steam one by turning the steam knob for 13 seconds and followed by the water knob for 8 seconds. So repeat back and forth between the steam and the hot water until you use up about half of the water in the tank. After that, just repeat the whole thing again, starting with the coffee component, pressing the single shot, and then back to the back and forth between the steam and the water. After all the water in the tank is used up, you want to rinse the tank, fill it up with clean water, and purge the water from the group head, steam one, and water component one more time to ensure the cleaning agent is flushed from the machine. After that, you should no longer see the cleaning light on anymore. Just as with the old model of this machine, if you do notice some uneven flow on the group head, Breville did include an Allen key for you to take out the metal screen that's in the group head, so you can clean that out as well. And lastly, make sure you purge the water, like I said, one more time through the machine until you do not smell the descaling solution anymore. Alright, I hope this video has helped you. As I did not know that they actually made a newer version of the same model number, I had to do some digging to find the new instruction for the new model. As always, please support us by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, and enable the bell icon to be notified of my weekly videos. Of course, you can also leave comments and questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video.